Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: the top 7 meats diabetics can eat without fear, meats that can actually help you keep your blood sugar under control. If you're living with diabetes, you know that making the right food choices is crucial. Protein is an essential nutrient, and meat is a primary source of high-quality protein. However, not all meats are created equal. The question is, which meats can you enjoy safely, and how do you prepare them without compromising your blood sugar and heart health? You might be wondering if you have to completely give up meats to manage your condition. The good news is, absolutely not. As long as you're careful in selecting lean cuts, limiting bad fats, and cooking in healthy ways, meat can be a valuable component of a diabetic-friendly diet. In this video, or article, I'll reveal the 7 best meats for people with diabetes, meats that won't cause glucose spikes and will actually help stabilize your energy levels. Don't go anywhere because I'll also give you tips on cooking methods, meal combinations, and portion sizes to ensure you get the most out of every bite. Let's get started. Before we jump into our top 7 list, let's clarify why selecting the right meats is so important for people managing diabetes. 1. Blood sugar control. Protein in meats helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates. This is invaluable in preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. Lean meats particularly help maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. 2. Maintaining muscle mass and energy. Patients with diabetes need high-quality protein to support muscle tissue, which in turn helps regulate metabolism and energy use. Insufficient protein can lead to muscle loss and fatigue, making it harder to keep blood sugar in check. 3. Heart health. Many people with diabetes also face an elevated risk of heart disease. Opting for meats low in saturated fats or meats rich in healthy fats, like fish, helps manage cholesterol levels and blood pressure. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Certain meats are excellent sources of B vitamins, B6, B12, iron, zinc, and selenium, nutrients crucial for optimal metabolic function, red blood cell production, and immune support. Now that you see the big picture, let's walk through the top 7 meats you can safely include in your meal plan. I'll also share best cooking techniques, recommended serving sizes, and pairing ideas to keep your diet both safe and delicious. Chicken breast. 1. Benefits and nutritional profile. Chicken breast has long been revered as the king of lean proteins. A 100-gram serving of skinless chicken breast provides about 165 calories, 31 g of protein, and roughly 3.6 g of fat. On top of that, chicken breast is an excellent source of B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and niacin. Stable blood sugar. Since chicken breast contains negligible carbohydrates and has a glycemic index, GI, of 0, it's safe in terms of preventing glucose spikes. High protein content. That protein helps you feel full for longer and curbs unnecessary snacking, which can be critical for stabilizing blood glucose levels. 2. Cooking tips for diabetics. Grilling, steaming, or quick stir frying. Skip deep frying to avoid excessive oil. Light seasoning with garlic, black pepper, or lemon juice can keep things flavorful without too much sodium. Pair with veggies and whole grains. A simple chicken breast alongside steamed broccoli or a quinoa salad boosts fiber and micronutrients. Remove the skin. Chicken skin is high in saturated fat, so removing it further cuts down on unhealthy fats. 3. Portion sizes. Most adults can aim for around 80 to 100 grams of chicken breast per meal, about the size of your palm. If you're closely watching your weight or blood sugar, feel free to reduce to 60 to 80 grams. When prepared with care, chicken breast not only delivers a solid protein punch but also helps stabilize blood sugar, making it a top choice for anyone managing diabetes. Turkey. Why turkey works well for diabetics. Turkey, though less common in some regions, is a fantastic lean protein source. A 100-gram serving of turkey, white meat, has about 104 calories, an impressive 29 g of protein, and a mere 1 g of fat. Turkey also offers B6, B12, and selenium for immune support and metabolism. Flavorful and healthy preparation methods. Marinate in lemon and herbs. A simple blend of lemon, rosemary, garlic, and a pinch of salt/pepper can work wonders. Use an air fryer. Quick cooking in an air fryer helps the turkey retain moisture while minimizing added fat. Make sandwiches or salads. Turkey is excellent in sandwiches with whole grain bread or shredded in a mixed green salad for a light lunch. Food pairings: fresh vegetables, leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a drizzle of olive oil. Complex carbs: whole wheat pasta, brown rice, or quinoa for additional fiber. Turkey is a prime choice if you want to keep your fat intake low while still getting the protein you need to manage blood sugar effectively. Why choose lean beef? Red meat sometimes gets a bad rap, particularly for those with diabetes or heart concerns. However, lean cuts of beef can be part of a balanced diabetic diet if consumed in moderation. Lean beef provides iron, zinc, and high-quality protein. Rich in iron, a 100-gram portion of lean beef contains around 2.6 milligrams of iron, critical for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Around 26 g protein/100 g, this helps sustain muscle mass and stabilize blood sugar. GI equals 0, like other meats, beef doesn't contain carbs, so it won't spike your blood glucose directly. How to choose the right cuts: tenderloin, filet mignon, or sirloin, lower in fat compared to ribeye or brisket. Trim visible fat, remove excess marbling or solid fat to reduce saturated fat intake. Best cooking methods for diabetics: grilling, quick stir frying, or broiling. Use minimal oil, preferably healthy oils like olive or canola oil. Simple seasoning: garlic, black pepper, or low-sodium soy sauce is perfect. Avoid sugary marinades like barbecue sauce loaded with added sugars. Pair with high-fiber sides, think steamed veggies, broccoli, green beans, or a hearty quinoa salad. Portion control: generally, 80 to 100 grams per meal, once or twice a week, is advisable. Balance out your protein intake with lean poultry, fish, or plant-based proteins on other days. Lean beef, when prepared correctly, offers valuable nutrients without threatening blood sugar stability. The key is moderation and low-fat cooking methods. Lean lamb. Nutritional highlights: lean lamb delivers high-quality protein, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. A 100-gram serving of lean lamb typically contains around 250 calories, 25 g protein, and around 16 g fat, or less if you choose very lean cuts and trim off visible fat. Some people prefer its richer taste compared to other meats. GI equals 0, like other pure protein meats, lamb doesn't raise blood sugar directly. Vitamin B12 and zinc, critical for energy production, immune function, and nervous system health. Selecting lean cuts: leg or loin chops, typically leaner than lamb shoulder or ribs. Trim external fat: lamb fat can sometimes be visible and easily removed. Cooking suggestions: marinate and roast/grill. A marinade of olive oil, rosemary, thyme, garlic, and black pepper complements lamb's flavor. Oven roast with veggies, carrots, onions, and bell peppers can roast alongside the lamb, absorbing flavors and adding fiber. Limit salt. Hypertension can be a concern for many diabetics. Use herbs and spices instead of too much salt. Lamb intake recommendations: have it occasionally, once every week or two rather than daily. Diversity in your protein sources ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. When lean cuts are chosen and cooking methods are mindful, lamb can be a nutritious treat that does not cause blood glucose fluctuations. Fish, especially salmon. Why fish is a top choice for diabetics. Fish is exceptionally beneficial thanks to its lean protein and, in some varieties, heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. This is especially vital for diabetics who often face higher risks of cardiovascular issues. 2. Salmon, the star of healthy fats. Nutritional profile: in 100 g salmon, you'll get about 206 calories, 22 g protein, and 12 g fat, most of which is unsaturated and includes about 2.3 g of omega-3 fatty acids. Heart benefits: omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and support circulatory health. GI equals 0, doesn't contain carbs. Cooking fish for maximum health benefits: grill, bake, or steam, season with fresh herbs, lemon juice, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Avoid heavy cream sauces or frying in excessive oil. Pair with vegetables: steamed asparagus, zucchini, bell peppers, or a small portion of whole grain rice or couscous create a balanced plate. Fish stew or soup: for a lighter option, Cook salmon or other fatty fish in a vegetable-rich broth. Frequency and serving sizes. Aim for 2 or more servings of fish per week, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines to get enough omega-3. Each serving is around 100 to 120 grams. With protein plus healthy fats, fish, especially salmon, is a real game changer for diabetics aiming to keep both blood sugar and heart health in check. Goat meat. 1. Nutritional advantages. Goat meat, chavon, is somewhat popular in various cuisines and is admired for its unique flavor and lean profile. In 100 grams of goat meat, you typically get 143 calories, 27 g protein, 3 g fat, 3.3 milligrams iron. This low fat content is fantastic for managing both blood sugar and cholesterol. High iron levels also support oxygen transport in the body, which is crucial for energy. 2. Benefits for diabetics. GI equals 0, no risk of blood sugar spikes due to carb content. Low cholesterol, safer for heart health compared to many other red meats. Best ways to cook goat meat. Stews and curries, slow cooking goat with veggies, carrots, onions, tomatoes, peppers, and minimal oil is a great way to tenderize the meat. Grilling with herbs, trim visible fat, marinate with garlic, ginger, and mild chili if desired, then grill or roast to let excess fat drip off. Pair with whole grains or legumes, brown rice, quinoa, lentils, or chickpeas add extra fiber, helping further regulate blood sugar. 4. Usage tips. Remember to enjoy goat meat in moderation, just like other meats. If you're prone to gout or kidney issues, consult your doctor first, as purine-rich red meats can exacerbate certain conditions. Goat meat is a nutritious, low-fat alternative among red meats, perfect for those with diabetes looking for variety without compromising health. If you found this video/article helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support encourages us to continue producing in-depth nutrition content to empower our community on their health journeys. Remember to check out the link in the description for even more diabetic-friendly recipes that will help make healthy eating both fun and simple. Stay healthy, stay positive, and keep exploring delicious ways to care for your body. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.